Hey guys, what's up? A quick little tip here. It took me a while to figure out, but extensive research and finally finding it. This is how I did it. Anyway, so if you're having trouble with your digital optical cable and the sound is skipping and you're trying to push this wire in and it doesn't click and it keeps falling out and it's driving you nuts. It is driving you nuts. Well, I figured it out. Okay, so on the end of each wire, I've had this wire for like 6 months and I've never done this, but it's kind of blurry here. Let's see if I can on the actual thing here. Can I get it? Come on, phone. Anyway, so on the tip of this thing here, there is a rubber tip. You need to, like I said, sorry for the blurriness. I'm just going on my phone. Let's get a distance here. There's a rubber tip here. You need to get rid of. Oh, shoot. I need to take it off. I mean, mine's really in there because I've been trying to jam this wire into everything, and it got the rubber piece down to the bottom. And hold on a second, right here. Boom. And boom. There it is. This little rubber tip thing was in the way for so long. Anyway, you get rid of that. And I already did it to the actual receiver there. But if you then take your wire, and actually you'll see it only goes in one way given the shape of it. So you're gonna stick it in and click. Did you hear the click? I bet you never heard the click before if you were having that problem. But now your problem is solved. The sound will not skip and it will be flawless. Thank you and come again. Bye-bye.